So back on with the KTM 350 again. That doesn't run. So this is the stator from the other bike that didn't work, so I'm gonna swap it back around, grab the one off that one, put it on here. I'm gonna put the coil from that one onto here. I'm gonna put the tank from that one onto here. Start there, see if one of those three things makes it start. If not, keep going, see what else. Obviously I'll check spark after I put the coil and everything on, make sure it's got spark. If it doesn't, obviously it's going to be something along the lines of what I had to do to the other one. If not, I think it is a fuel situation. Start with the tank and go from there, try the injector, blah blah blah, and keep swapping things until it runs, I guess. So while I'm here as well, I'm gonna swap in a brand new kill switch because I don't trust the other one. Bolt up to here, and that one goes into that, but obviously, of course, nothing is ever easy. So I'm gonna swap the plugs out and rewire that in. So I've ordered a new stator for the other bike, so I'm gonna borrow this one again for diagnosing what's going on with this one. Obviously I need to work in the stator to diagnose the electrical issue. So this, there we go. So the gear there, and then the starter gear, just got to get them to line up, and then it all spins free like that, just sits there. I've got the coil pack back on there, and then I didn't have any insulated plugs there, so I just put a bit of insulation over the top of it, a bit of heat shrink. So stator's all plugged in and everything, so these two wires just go there. I don't believe they need to go a specific way, I don't think that matters. That plugs into there, goes into the stator, usually runs up through here, but I'm just going to sit it like that for now until I got it all sorted. And from what I can tell, we have good spark, so it's not a spark issue. I'm guessing it must be fuel, because I've already checked the valves and the valves are in spec, so try again. I've got the injector out. I've given it a clean out. I spray a bit of starting fluid down the injector hole into the throttle body, and it will fire up. So definitely fuel related. At least I've worked that one out and I'm not just chasing a needle in a haystack. So back together, let's see how we go. Let it prime. Same thing. So yet to know if it's like fuel pressure being high or low, but it's definitely fuel, because it did start when I squirted it down the spark plug hole. So decided to quickly check if maybe because the battery is so low, it's not pumping enough power into the fuel pump, because obviously the jumper leads are going to start it, but maybe the residual power in the battery just isn't enough. Well, it ended up didn't start, so there we go. Maybe a combination of a few different things. Let's see if it's got fuel pressure now and it actually wants to start back up again. See, it's just not quite. Not the battery, still fuel rated. It's gonna be it for the day. It's about to rain, so come back to it tomorrow.